Now let us do the attachment process. For that, we are going to open the first, the last drawn Anicut head sluice. A head sluice is going to attach it to Anicut. So open this. You open this head sluice drawing. Now we are going to attach this with some inclination. So move this or copy this. You can keep this drawing as it is. Copy this drawing. This is going to be attached with the AutoCAD. For that, it is going to be attached in the bottom portion. So I will erase this here. Erase this portion. Erase this also. I am going to attach here. So I will draw one line here that is perpendicular to this drawing. So you have to keep this layer set. Line. Click on this line and perpendicular to this line. You can trim this line also. Here is this. Okay, I'm going to rotate this axis. Rotate the drawing. Select this drawing. To select this point, rotate by -70. It is. So it is going to be taken. So edit, copy with base point. Select the base point. You select this is the base point. Select objects. Okay. You can save this if you want. File and close this drawing. Now file can open Anicut drawing. Project files. This Anicut drawing. You open this Anicut drawing. And this we are going to attach here in the bottom. So erase this edge pattern. This will be a hindrance. So erase this. Erase this. Erase this. Draw the line. Now set this layer. Then you draw the line. Perpendicular to this. And erase this. Now paste this. Edit. Paste as block. The insertion point is here. We join here. End of this. Okay. Now we have entered this. This is a black. So export this. Now we can edit the curved base. Keep this here like this only, no problem. Let this let radius நான் இருக்கேன், இதுல இதுவா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன், ரெக்கார்டிங் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. Can you erase this also now? Line end of this to some extent, another line end of this to this line. Now you know how much is the distance we have to copy. Here is outside, so measure this distance, end of this, end of this. What is the x distance measured? 7.32 meters. So 7.5 meters we have to move. So copy this. At minus 7.5 comma 0. Then you can mirror this. Insertion of this. Yes. This is drawn in the bottom. You can draw your connectivity now. Fillet radius 1 meter. It is for outer lines. Outer line, this one and this one connected. Then offset 0.6 meter by this curve. Then fillet the trim this, okay. Move this like this. Actually we have to connect this side, so delete this, fillet this, fillet this portion with this portion, offset 0.6. We export this with an offset 0.6. These are all full AutoCAD commands only. We extend this. That's all. We can trim this. This curve and this curve. Okay. this dimension line. Now this. And keep this dimension here. Now you can fillet radius 0. This 2 inner into this and this into this. Okay, you can trim these lines. So bed pitching is common for both. Can match property. So now we have joined the main portion of Anicut with its sluice. For all other editing works, you can do it in AutoCAD. No problem. That's all. Thank you. We save this drawing.